Hello and welcome to my channel. This video is going to be very useful for those guys who want to buy a new fan which saves lot of energy through wide range of air and which want a remote control fan. So here it is, a best company which manufactures BLDC fan. Basically BLDC fans are those which saves energy, which consume
low energy.
and provide a quality of air through. Okay, and this is here we have our product Atomberg, and let's see what is inside. And before we go through, let's go through with the boxes. So here what is mentioned is Atomberg branding, and here's some logos, and here's what we get is, so here's it is mentioned that model is Ameza and sweep 1200 and color is gloss, 35 watt to 30 voltage AC, and the amount is 4819 rupees. But basically I buy it on a sale which I buy it in approx 2000 rupees, so price varies on different days. So now let's get out our final product. So inside the box we get inside the box we get this ceiling fan propellers. So the size of propellers is 1200 and here it is mentioned clearly, as you can see, and here also. And another we get is our product, which is a BLDC motor. It is sealed packed, and basically with this product we get 1+1 extra warranty. So basically we get 2 years of warranty. Here it is mentioned clearly, you can see here, 1+1 year on-site warranty, high rating and review on online platform, and over 10 million users. Basically users are getting larger day by day. So here you can see this side Atomberg branding is mentioned, and super efficiency BLDC motors. We get remote, 65% electricity saving, and here's run up to 3x longer on inverters. Okay, as you can see 5-star rating is mentioned here, and this side is also same. And now we'll just open out our box. So finally we have our product. Now just bring out our motor. This is the best fan which I buy it after a lot of R&D. R&D refers to research and development. I go various websites, use YouTube videos and other product to compare this, and finally I buy this. So we get inside box a pipe. What you said, I don't know. A pipe. This we get 2 cups. Here is 2 cups we get. See, this is 2 cups. Then we get a remote. Here it is look like this. 2 batteries with this. Everyday battery. A warranty card. Here it is mentioned, to claim the 1 extra warranty you have to scan this, and then you have to register yourself to get 1 year extra warranty. So, and here extra accessories to hang your fan. And finally we have this product. So if I talking about this fan, it is too lightweight as compared to the normal other fans, non BLDC fans. Let's check it out, the weight of this fan. Okay, so if we see, okay, is not showing a proper weight of this fan. So let's remove this. Now we open it. But basically the weight of this fan is too lightweight as compared to other fans. We get the LED indicator with this. Here is the LED indications, and here it looks like this. Here something is mentioned, as you can see, 1200 mm, the propeller size, rating AC 230 volt, 550 Hz, one phase 35 watt, BLDC, made in India. ISI mark is mentioned, and it is too lightweight. As you can see, it is too lightweight. Okay, in the reading manual you see some assembly guidelines, how you can assemble this, and some instructions. As you can see, motor, 3 aluminum blades you get, batteries, canopies, down rod. Okay, down rod, that's known as shackle kit, remote and warranty card, how it is assembled. Here step by step this guideline is provided, and this is all of. Now we come to our final product. Okay, let's start assembling it. Before assembling our fan, we need some tools such as this peachcus and a wire. We also require to give a connection. So now let's get started. First we need to open this pipe. Then you have to insert this like this. Here you have to insert this. Here you get different screws, a safety pin. You have to do this and screw down. And now you have to insert here from this hole to now this. Now take this and insert this. Then insert this and then screw up these 2 bolts like this. You have to tightly screw up both. Use the plier. Screw up it tightly. After that, now you have to insert the safety pin. Not inserting. So as you can see, just do it like this a little bit, and then do this a little bit, make this side so this will not come outside. So now finally you need this wire and measure the size like I do. The same you have to do. Here and the extra one. So basically it is around this much in it. And then extra will cut down. Now cut the wire into two pieces like this. Just split the outer cover. And do the same with the another one. So now you have to do the same thing what I am going to do. So insert the wire from this hole and then do similarly like this, and then you got the wire, just twist it like this a little bit more, and you got your wire here. Just separate both the wire. Or otherwise you can use your plier, plug it, and now you just have to push a little bit and your wire will automatically come. Hey, one thing I forget to told you that after when you have reached this place, like when you insert this, and at this point you have to fix this cap, insert this cap. So first you have to take the blank cup which don't have any branding. Yes, you can see one has no any brand and another have. So what you need to do is take a screwdriver and screw off like this. This is screw off, and just insert this insert this and do the same one, and take the cup which has branding to the upward side, and also screw off this cup, and do same as I do, and then just plug out the wire and just push it from this side, and it will come outside slowly. You can just hold one wire and push it, it will come easily. Do the same with another. Now the 90% work is 75% work is completed. Now you have to give the connection, and also before doing all of this you have to make sure to put your fan here so not to get scratch on your fan lower side. Now take a screwdriver, because of the small screws, screw off 90% and then insert this wire screw up tightly. If you don't screw up tightly, this spark maybe happen. Now just put down this cup approximately this much, and now tight this screw and finally now you can tight these blades. Now finally install these blades to this fan. We got 3 fans with this. So how you have to install this, see this video carefully. Just screw of this. This also. Now this side. 3 of side you have to do the same work. Make sure to separate all these screws, don't mix it with each other. This will make you in a trouble if you do this, if you mix these screws with each other. So now take this propeller and insert like this. Okay, this side is gonna be upward and this will downward. Okay, like this, and screws the page to its original place like this. Tight up these screws hardly as you can. Now do the same thing with other threes. Tight up screws hardly as you can. Okay, now the last blade. Now the 95 work is completed. 5% work is to just install with the ceiling. Now you can see the 95 work is completed. Now let's go to install with the ceiling. Doing any electric work, you have to careful about some small things. You have to just shut down the main MCB, which is directly connected with the electricity, and then here's you got the two wires, and also switch off the main MCB and the switches of fans. And if you have an inverter connection, just put it off, and then check this wire with the testers so you get confirmation about the electricity are passing or not, and then you can start working. So I just put down this fan and change my new fan with this. So okay, let's start. So I get the confirmation after switching off my main MCB and fan and inverters. Now I check the wire with my tester. So there is no electricity as such passing through this wire. So after the confirmation, now you have to open the safety pin and both the screws of this side. Use plier if the screws not get off. And similarly I screw off this, and you have to install similarly as you get this out. Then you have to install this in this hook. Properly check this safety pin. And install this here. After the installation of this hook, you have to install one by one as you screw out these steps. You have to reverse all these steps, and now then 100% completed to install the fan with the ceiling. Also install this plate before installing this fan. After installation of this screw nut, tight these screws. You have to tighten the nuts. Now here's only the 1% work is pending, which is now we connect this fan wire with the AC wire, which passes the electricity towards the fan, and then we 100% completed. Now we check the final output. Now wire is also completed, and just screwing up this plate, and then if the fan is rotate anti-clockwise, not on a clockwise side, just you have to switch the wire from this side, which is inside this have the connection of wire. You have to switch this only, that's it, and then it's ready perfect fully. Now finally you have to install the batteries in the remote. Which is provided by the company with this fan. And also you can claim the 1 year extra warranty with the scanning this QR code which is provided on your remote by the company. And now let's go with the final output. To run this fan, you have to switch on your main MCBs and inverter connection, and then switch on the fan, and then the one light is get blinked and your fan is ready. As you can see, it is rotating clockwise. Here you can control your fan with your remote. See? See? If you want to switch off your fan, you have to click the red button. If you want to power 1, it will slowly run. Then upgrade the power. If you put the button 2 and then 3 and then 4, you got the button similarly, and you got the boost button where the fan get run at its peak, and you got 3 additional features. Here's the LED sleep, and you can see here's the timer. When you get sleep, you can put it on the fan on a timer mode, and here's you get LED light which is always get on if you put it on the LED button. If you switch this on, and you get the last option is sleep. When you switch on this mode, you get the sleep features where the fan gradually come down slowly and slowly decreases its speed after an hour, and at the end it will get off automatically on a sleep mode. Yes, if you like this video, please do make sure to subscribe, like and share with your friend who wants to install the fan with the ceiling, and we'll meet in the next video. Okay, till then, bye bye.